Afternoon guys, today we are actually right here at Springside Estate where we have a freehold Inter-Terrace to show you guys. This unit itself contains 5 bed, 5 bath, very spacious and well renovated with the owner spending close to 600,000 about 3 years back on the renovation. So without further ado, let us take a look. So first and foremost, the front porch. You can see that front porch is so spacious that you can easily park 2 cars if you want to, provided if you actually remove this platform over here. But that being said, if you want to convert it into an outdoor barbecue area, you have also plenty of space for you to do that here and host multiple guests at one time. More importantly, for those electric cars lover, you can actually install an own EV charger over here with plenty of storage for your family's shoes and storages. Right now, follow me in to look at this beautiful renovated unit, shall we? So, starting from the living room, you can see the living room is actually very spacious where you can easily house 10 to 20 packs of guests at a time. More importantly, there's a lot of natural sunlight coming into the unit. Why? Because the owner themselves actually took down this wall and installed a sliding door over. So giving most ample light coming into the unit at most time. Importantly too, you can see this dining table over here sitting up to 6 to 8 packs. For those multi-generation family living in this house, you can easily increase the size of the dining table and number of chairs if you want to. Right, so let's take a look at the granage room, shall we? In fact, this granage room, you can also convert it into a study room if you want to. You can see this size is actually very well sized, and more importantly, it comes with an ensuite over here, and everything has been done up by the owner themselves with consistent concepts throughout the house. Right, let's move on to the kitchen, alright? So this kitchen is actually an open concept kitchen. Now we are at the dry kitchen. This is the open concept dry kitchen, but rest assured we have another wet kitchen to show you guys later on outside at the backyard area. But importantly, what you should focus here are the quality finishing from the tabletop to the backdrop, glass backdrop over here. And definitely the built-ins that you see over here, the electrical stove and the oven are all done up for you guys. And for those who have a lot of things to actually store in their kitchen, there are plenty of storages right over here with soft closing, ready for you guys to just bring in your luggage and your items to move in. Without further ado, let us go and take a look at the bedrooms on level 2 and 3, shall we? You can see that this room itself is so spacious that you can easily convert it into a master bedroom if you want to. And of course, king queen size bed is all possible. And behind you, there's actually plenty of cabinetry done up for you. And of course, this study table over here that is not being fixed onto the ground. So if you decided to actually remove this study table for your loved one, it can actually be done. Let us go to the master bedroom, shall we? Alright, so follow me in now into the master bedroom. Again, very similar concept, very squarish room. This portion over here was actually extended, you can see over in the balcony area, giving the master owners a very comfortable area for them to stay during their rest and relax time. And if you turn around, the ladies will also love it. Why? Because you have also a walk-in wardrobe over here for the Mr. and Mrs. Now at the highest point of the unit, level 3, you can see there's actually a skylight over here that was done up by the owner previously. And more importantly, we are now looking into the 2 other bedrooms that are, of course, you can label them as junior ensuite. Come on, let's go in and follow me in to take a look at the second junior master of this unit. You can see the concept is actually very similar because the ID actually done up a full-fledged reno about 3 years back. So the study area is over here, the L-shaped one. with plenty of storages serving for multiple functions. And more importantly, the bedroom size is squarish and very spacious for you to put a king or a queen size. And then the ensuite is just right over here, and the aircon compressor you can see is actually just right behind me, being flush and not affecting the people who will actually be staying in this room. Alright guys, now let's take a look at the last unit master, which is probably my favorite room in this unit, alright? Again, king size, queen size, no problem with an ensuite and study area that's pretty much done up for you with multiple cabinetries just right behind you. And of course, my favorite part, right? Let's go and take a look at the little balcony over here where you overshadow the whole Springleaf side. You can see. Come on here and take a look. So now you understand why I love this room so much, because it can overlook the Springleaf estate, and importantly at night, you should be able to catch some stargazing. Alright guys, we have come to the end of this home tour video. We hope that you liked what you have seen so far. If you are interested to see this unit in person, do give me a call, and my number is just right below, and I'll be happy to show you guys around. See you!